How do you find the right recruiters for your construction firm or construction materials firm? How do you find the right ones that will fit and help your firm? I want to get into that with you next. Is there such a thing as the right recruiter construction recruiting firm for your construction firm or your construction materials firm? Yes. Yes, there is. There's going to be, it depends on your firm, what the position is and what you're really looking to achieve. But there's going to be some firms that are going to be, there will be some firms that will not be right for what you're trying to achieve, what you want to accomplish, and there will be some firms that are. So let me give you some examples as I turn this corner and not hopefully crash. Okay, so let me give you some examples. If you need lower level positions, carpenters and things like this, there's probably a lot of firms that can help you. Employment agencies / firms that can help you. There's some that specialize in construction. When you want middle managers and upper level positions, there are some search firms, contingency headhunting firms that could probably help you that are in construction. You have to be careful of those firms because some of them advertise. So why would you pay them a fee if you can get you can run an ad and attract the same candidates? So that's something to consider too. So I'd ask these firms that when you're interviewing them, how do they go about getting their candidates? That's key. If it's just LinkedIn and running ads, I mean, you guys can do that. Why pay a fee for that? When you start getting into upper level positions, even middle manager and upper level positions, you're most likely are going to have a company, a construction recruiting firm that works on your behalf, that you retain, that you hire, that works for you. And their job is to find you candidates, screen candidates, do preliminary background checks on candidates, verify what they're making, and all of this. When you get in executive level positions, obviously, you're going to have to retain a firm that knows construction, knows the industry, be it mechanical, plumbing, general construction, whatever it is, drilled shaft, foundations, asphalt paving, etc., quarries, polymers, liquid asphalt. List goes on, as you know. If it's a confidential replacement, in other words, you got somebody on your team you're trying to replace, you definitely want to hire a retainer-based executive search firm or a retainer-based recruiting firm, construction recruiting firm, that's used to working on a confidential basis, that's used to handling these type of situations. And a lot of the big executive search firms, they're not familiar with your industry, so it's kind of a catch-22. I've got to have a big heavy hitter firm that knows how to do confidential replacements, but they don't know construction. So you need to kind of find a firm that knows construction that could also do that for those positions. So, at our firm, we're in the construction recruiting business. We've been in the construction recruiting business over 20 years. And we do middle manager, foremen, superintendents, executives for construction firms and construction material firms. And we are a retainer-based recruiting firm, meaning we require some type of deposit to get started. But what is that? What do you get with that deposit? You get a firm that's used to handling confidential situations, that's going to directly recruit from your competitors, the ones you want us to go into. You recruit directly in that market where you need the person. If you have a bridge in Louisville, Kentucky, but you're in Chicago, you need to have a Louisville project manager or superintendent, then you need a firm that's going to work on your behalf. Not someone's just going to run ads or do LinkedIn or whatever. Some of these guys you're looking for won't be on LinkedIn. So at the Palumbo Company, that's our job. We work for you. We establish a relationship with your firm. We get to know your firm. We get to understand your company culture and the type of candidates that are going to fit with your company. And we do require a deposit for our recruiting, but those deposits are refundable if you're unhappy with our services. 100% refundable. So if you're a construction firm, energy company, engineering firm, construction materials firm, and you need professional recruiting, contact thepalumbocompany.com, and we look forward to visiting with you, analyzing your position, analyzing what you're trying to do, and we'll make an evaluation whether we're the right firm for you and if we can help your company. Our job at our firm is to help you grow by attracting the right candidates that can make an impact and a difference to your firm. If you need help, contact us today. My name is Mike Palumbo. I look forward to speaking with you and working with you soon. Now that the video is over, why don't you head on over to thepalumbocompany.com and learn more about our firm. Our job at our firm is to help construction firms grow by attracting the right candidates that can make an impact and a difference to their firm. So if you want to learn more about our company and whether or not we can help you, head on over to the Palumbo Company now. I look forward to seeing you over there, and I look forward to speaking with you and working with you soon.